Hey, it's Bill. I got a fun one for you. I'm gonna do a little pasta carbonara, like old school, but I made it once before. Didn't get a whole lot of response. I mean, I got some responses, but I think everyone was like confused about some of the ingredients, so I wanted to clarify it and redo it. First of all, I'm gonna use fresh pasta. So I got a pot of water here boiling. I rendered some bacon, about a half pound, which turns into like nothing, right? And then I took that same pan, I poured out the bacon fat, put half stick of butter in here because butter's always good, right? And so we're going to get that back on the heat, make sure it's nice and toasty. And I'm waiting for that sucker's starting to come to a rolling boil. I'm going to get some pepper in here for flavor. Mamma mia. Okay. So one of the things you're going to know is once we drop the pasta, it literally cooks in 2 minutes. So I got to have everything else really planned out. This isn't one of those times you can go, oh, well, let me go cut my hair. Alright, so I'm going to put this whole thing in here. It's going to float really quickly. In the meantime, I'm going to come over here. I got me a cup of heavy cream going into that half stick of butter. Get that nice and warming up. It's going to get some of that flavor from the bacon. This is what I cook the bacon in. Watching that pasta with this guy, okay? It's not hard, can't really mess it up, but just throwing it out there. Don't let yourself be distracted. You know, this is a time when maybe you could have a helper. I really just want to get this up to just a little simmer. Check out my pasta here. Pasta's starting to float. So again, I'm going to get ready here. I love this dish. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. No, I really mean it. Okay. Alright, so while I'm getting this toasty, I need to beat up 2 eggs. I'm watching everything. Okay. So let's get some beating done. I'm not trying to whip them. I'm just a little mixed up. This is getting good. Alright, everything comes together for a reason. Now what I'm going to do, start the transfer. gonna get this going in here. Oh yeah. Gonna get the bacon in here. This is where we want to be careful. Get those eggs whipped. I don't want to cook the egg, so we're going to, you can temper it by putting some of the warm sauce in here, but if you're really quick, like you're supposed to be, it's not going to matter. So just get everything stirred around. Alright. Love when a plan comes together. Nice and toasty. I want about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And I got some Italian parsley here, about a quarter cup. Heat's turned off. And then, as I always say, you gotta have some peas. Doggone, that looks really good. I'm going to show you how good it really looks. That is what real carbonara looks like. This is like beauty at its best. You can really tell that it's just so creamy. That fresh pasta is going to make it so light. This is the bomb diggity, okay? This is the kind of thing that you saw. Once you get everything set up, it cooks really quickly. I mean, you're just going to go boom, 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 and it's done. Press your friends, right? Just practice a few times. But as you can see, excellent dish, good side dish. This is something that's kind of fun, believe it or not. I like to serve it with like a good cut of meat that I've been grilling. You can add pasta, seafood to it, like put some nice Gulf shrimp in here, and that would make a great dish, or dinner, I mean. Anyway, this is really the coolio. Hope you try it, hope you like it, and have a great day.